characters. Sam, a curious and enthusiastic child. Farmer Joe, a friendly and knowledgeable farmer. Eddie the eggplant, a talking eggplant with a lot of interesting facts. Tommy the tomato, a lively tomato who loves to share stories. Scene 1. The farmyard. Sam excitedly, "Hi, Farmer Joe. I want to learn how our food is made. Can you show me?" Farmer Joe, smiling, "Hi, Sam, absolutely. Today, I'll show you how food grows right here on the farm and travels to our table." Scene 2. The vegetable garden. They walk to a colorful vegetable garden where Eddie the eggplant and Tommy the tomato are chatting. "Hello, Sam. I'm Eddie the eggplant. We're excited to show you around." Tommy the tomato, cheerfully, "Hi, Sam. I'm Tommy the tomato. We'll tell you all about how we grow and get to your plate." Sam, curiously, "How does all this start?" Scene 3. Growing crops. The camera zooms in on seeds sprouting and growing into plants. Eddie the eggplant, proudly, "I start as a tiny seed and grow into a big, shiny eggplant. It takes time, but with care, I become delicious." Tommy the tomato, excitedly, "And I grow from a small green tomato into a ripe red tomato. We need water, sunlight, and good soil to grow strong and healthy." Sam, amazed, "Wow, I didn't know it took so much to grow food." Scene 4. Harvesting. They move to a section where ripe vegetables are ready to be picked. Farmer Joe, holding a basket. "When the vegetables are ripe, we carefully pick them. Freshly harvested vegetables are the best for cooking." Eddie the eggplant, with a wink, "After we're picked, we're ready to head to the kitchen for cooking." Tommy the tomato, cheerfully, "And that's where the fun begins, turning us into tasty meals." Scene 5. The kitchen. The scene shifts to a kitchen where vegetables are being washed and prepared. Sam, curiously, "What happens in the kitchen?" Farmer Joe, smiling, "In the kitchen, we wash and prepare the vegetables. They are then cooked into delicious dishes that you eat." Eddie the eggplant, enthusiastically, "And when you eat us, you get all the vitamins and nutrients that keep you healthy and strong." Tommy the tomato, happily, "Plus, eating fresh vegetables makes every meal colorful and tasty." Scene 6. The dining table. The scene shows a dining table set with a delicious meal made from fresh vegetables. Sam tastes the food and looks delighted. Sam, happily, "This is amazing." Farmer Joe, proudly, "I'm glad you like it. Sam, remember, fresh and healthy food helps you grow strong and stay happy." Eddie the eggplant, cheerfully, "And every bite of farm fresh food is a little bit of farm magic on your plate." Tommy the tomato, with a wink, "So, enjoy your meals and remember where your food comes from." Scene 7. Closing. The scene ends with Sam waving goodbye to Farmer Joe, Eddie, and Tommy as they continue working happily on the farm. Sam, enthusiastically, "Thanks, Farmer Joe. I've learned so much today." Farmer Joe, smiling, "Good food with good farming." Screen fades out with a cheerful tune.